This award-winning acupuncture mat and pillow is the only mat designed by internationally acclaimed acupuncturists. It is handmade in Europe. Natural dyes and hypoallergenic European cotton is used. It has Velcro straps to apply to different areas of the body, like the leg or the arm. It has viscoelastic memory foam for comfort. Food-grade plastic spikes are used and attached without the need for toxic glue. It can assist stress, benefit sleep, and benefit muscular discomfort. And assist in your general wellness routine.